Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a particular line graph. And this line graph is about the recycling rate of selected materials from the year 1982 to 2010. The x-axis clearly shows, so the vertical axis clearly shows the percentage of recycling. And this horizontal axis shows the year, the time frame. So this is a movement chart. So we have changed vocabulary. We have to use change vocabulary. So examples for change vocabulary is increased tremendously, increased significantly, fluctuated widely, mild fluctuations, even fluctuation, uneven fluctuation, mere growth, insignificant growth, or I can say dramatic increase, hitting an all-time high, hitting an all-time low. All these things we can use. So a change vocabulary is recommended in case of this type of line graphs. So we can say the introduction, the pattern of recycling of different materials between 1982 and 2010 is depicted in the line graph. Clear? In general, the rate of recycling went up for all type of materials. So from paper, in case of paper, it is 65 to 70. In case of glass containers, it is 50 to 60. In case of aluminum cans, it is under 5 to 45. Plastic, it is from 3 to almost 8 or 9. But the pattern of their growth differed significantly. You can say the pattern between these recycling is very different. So this is what the overview. So introduction is over, overview is over. Now let's go ahead and see. In 1982, the percentage of paper and cardboard which was recycled was 65%, which was 15% more than the rate of recycled glass containers. After some fluctuations, in 1994, recycling of the former type of materials hit a peak of 80%, which stood 30% more than the latter. From then, the trends grew opposite. And by 2010, the rates of recycling of both stood at 70 and 60 respectively. So this case is over. Comparison, well compared. The recycling of aluminum cans saw a tremendous growth. After it was initiated in 1986, from just under 5, it climbed to 45% by 2010. they required a gradual hike of 5% in 2010 from about 3% plastic, which was recycled in 1990. So I have covered the comparison. The first paragraph, we compared paper and cardboard. We have a similarity there. Both started at 1982. It ended at 2010. So we have the later part. We have aluminum cans and plastic separated there in another paragraph. A clear-cut overview, which gives you a clear-cut idea about what is happening. That is, it is increasing, but we have a different pattern. Introduction is clear. The pattern of recycling of different materials between this point and this point is depicted in the given line graph. So I hope that is well explained there. Thank you all.